Bonjour, welcome to Cooking with Madame Peters in my home. Today we are going to be making little chocolate cakes called Moelleux au chocolat. Moelleux is a word that's basically like squishy and melty, so oftentimes in English, we call them lava cakes. Because when they get baked, they're almost a little bit underdone in the center, and when you cut into it, the chocolate is going to ooze out of it like lava. They are delicious. So in order to make this recipe, we need 1 stick of unsalted butter, le beurre in French. We need 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. I grabbed these from Ghirardelli, le chocolat, and I used a food scale to measure out my 6 ounces. If you don't have a food scale, I bought a 20-ounce bag, so it's just a little over 1/3. Oh, my oven is preheated to 450 degrees. So you need 6 ounces of these bittersweet chocolate. We're gonna need a total of 4 eggs. So in French, eggs are les œufs. You're gonna need 2 full eggs and 2 egg yolks, a 1/4 cup of sugar, le sucre in French, a pinch of salt, une pincée de sel, and approximately 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, which is la farine in French. So I'm going to take my ramequin. These are the dishes that we're going to make them in. In French, this is called a ramequin, so exactly like in English, a ramequin. And I'm going to butter and flour it. So in order to do this, I'm going to take my stick of butter that I've kind of peeled back. I'm just going to get in here, try to get all of the corners on the inside. What I'm doing here is I'm just going to make it so that it doesn't stick to the inside of the ramequin, so it will unmold hopefully easily when we unmold these things. And then I'm going to take some flour and kind of sprinkle that in there. I'm going to just kind of swish it around gently, just so that this doesn't stick when it bakes. Okay, and now I'm going to do the other 3. Okay, so I've buttered and floured all 4 of my ramekins, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to set them aside on this baking sheet, and I'm going to get going making my cake filling. So in order to begin making my filling for my moelleux au chocolat, I've created what's called a double boiler. A double boiler is when I take a pot of water and I put it on the stove until it's boiling or simmering. And then I take a glass bowl and I put it on top. So in the glass bowl, I'm going to put my stick of butter, and I'm going to put all of my chocolate. Now this is going to just gradually cook the butter and the chocolate together. And it's a way of doing this very gently, so that it doesn't burn the chocolate. So I'm just going to keep going with this until it melts and becomes smooth and delicious. It's perfect. If you can come on in and see this, look how tasty this looks. All of the chocolate is all melted in with the butter, and it just looks yummy and delicious. Okay, I'm going to continue making my filling. So in order to do that, I'm going to add my eggs together. So I have 2 full eggs that I've already cracked previously, and I'm going to use the egg yolks. So in order to do the egg yolks, I'm going to separate my white from my yolk. So in order to do that, I crack my egg and I let the white fall off. That's kind of the gunky stuff on the side. And the egg yolk, I go back and forth in my egg shell, let all the white fall off. And then I'm just going to dump the yolk into the bowl and dump those in. So now I've got 2 egg yolks and 2 full eggs. I've got a 1/4 cup of sugar, and then just a pinch of salt that I'm going to add in here. And I'm just going to use my hand mixer and I'm going to mix it up until it's nice and pale looking. So the final step is to take my melted chocolate and butter and put it in with the eggs and sugar that I mixed up before. Now I used my hand mixer, and I mixed it for a good 3 to 4 minutes so that it got a little bit thicker and pale, as you can see here. So now be very careful with your hot bowl. I'm using a pot holder to go through, and then I'm going to whisk this a little bit just to loosen it up, and then I'm going to dump it slowly in with my eggs. And I'm going to stir. Let me get this out of here for right now. So I'm going to mix this all together. Oh, it's starting to look very tasty. Yes. I'm going to use a rubber spatula to get all that chocolate out in there. And now to this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to gently whisk this all together. Just until the flour is incorporated. Now I'm going to use a ladle to put my cake mixture into my floured buttered ramekins, and then they will go into the oven, a preheated oven, to 450 degrees. So take my ladle, take a nice scoop, my ramekin, and I want to evenly distribute between the 4 ramekins. Then you lick the spoon. And now we put the ramekins in the oven at 450 degrees for 12 minutes. Okay, my timer just went off. So I'm going to let them sit for about 1 minute just so I can get my dessert plate ready to go. My chocolate cake has been cooling for about 1 minute. I'm going to take my knife and gently run it around the edge to try to loosen it up. Then I'm going to take a dessert plate, whatever plate you want, and I'm going to set it on top. And then I'm going to flip it upside down, wait for about 10 seconds, and hope that it comes out. Now I can sprinkle with a little bit of powdered sugar. Now I'll cut it open. And there we have a moelleux au chocolat.